Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're going to look at how to use a Microsoft whiteboard in Microsoft Teams. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I've already opened up my Teams window here, and at the top right corner there is a Meet button. I'm going to click on that. And there you go. This is the intro page for a meeting, and I'm gonna click on join now. There you go. I'm already in the meeting here, you guys. We can either copy the meeting link and send to our participants, or just click on add participants. So for now I'm just closing it, and as you can see, uh, at the top right corner over here there is an option to share. If I click on share, there is an option to actually select Microsoft Whiteboard. So if I click on Microsoft Whiteboard over here, I will be redirected to Microsoft Whiteboard window. Alright guys, we are in the Microsoft Whiteboard starting page, and I'm gonna click on new whiteboard over here. And as you can see, we can present our whiteboard, only I can edit, or we can collaborate whiteboard so that everyone else can edit the whiteboard as well. So I'm going to click on collaborate and click on collaborate on whiteboard. Alright guys, we are in the Microsoft Whiteboard homepage here, and as you can see, we have a lot of options to choose. I'm going to talk about it one by one. So first I'm going to choose a pen and I'm going to annotate like this. And if you wanted to select another color, you could actually annotate with another color here as well. And there is an option for highlighting. You can do that here as well. Also, there is an interesting feature called laser pointer, which I'll talk about later. And there is an option for an eraser. If I click on eraser, I can actually erase some of my content. And we've got a ruler over here. If I click on the ruler and select a pen, and if I actually draw a line, actually I can create a line with a ruler. This is a fantastic feature, you guys. So to rotate the ruler, all you have to do is scroll down, and you can actually change the angle of the ruler, and again you can start a line. So this is how we use the ruler, which is a fantastic feature, you guys. And for now I'll just disable the ruler. And if you look at the left hand side here, there are some options, and the first one among them is notes. If I click on notes, we can create notes of different colors, and also we could create a note grid. So if I click on note grid over here and just position where the note grid has to be, there you go. We can create a note grid with a lot of notes with title and everything. So for now I'm gonna delete it, and if I click on a single note over here, I can create a note wherever I want. If I had to create another note, I'll click on the other note and the note shows up here. So in case if I wanted to type anything, I'll just type here. And if I wanted to add some alt text to the note, I can do that here as well. And as you can see at the top, I can see my name getting displayed on top of the note, so we know who is making this note. Because as you know, in the beginning of this video, we are collaborating with so many users. So I think this is a fantastic feature, you guys. And if I just wanted to delete the note, I can just click on delete. And if I wanted to change the color, I could actually change the background color to whichever color I need. So for now I delete, and I'll go back. And if I wanted to just include a text, I can just select the text and just enter a text, which is fantastic, you guys. And if I click on the three dots over here, I can actually bring the text to the front and send it to the back, or lock the text. And I can also change the color and delete the text here as well, which is a fantastic feature, you guys. Now let's talk about shapes. There are several shapes like a rectangle and a circle, or any other shapes that you need for your presentation. All right, which is fantastic, you guys. And also we have an option here to type something inside the text describing something about the shape. All right, so I'll go back, and in case if I wanted to include some reactions to someone who had already given us presentation, I could click on reactions, and I can just give reactions like this. I could just give reactions like this so that people know that I have given a reaction. And also I could give a thumbs up, which will be there in the whiteboard presentation. And also we can delete it just by selecting and clicking on delete. That's it, and our reactions go away. Right, now let's go to images. If I click on images over here, I can select images from my device, or I could just select some from the Bing images, which is fantastic, you guys. And if I look at templates, there are so many templates of whiteboards. If I click on brainstorming, we have so many templates to actually brainstorm our session. In case if I wanted to talk about the sales or anything, I could just set up a whiteboard and include all the information here. There are predefined templates for brainstorming. There are if you look at design and research, there are a lot of templates here as well. So we could choose which template suits us the best, and then we could start the presentation. So that is there. And if I click on documents over here, I can actually include some of the documents from my groups that I've created already. If I click on my files over here, if I click on whiteboards, and here there is nothing that I've created so far. But if we had created a whiteboard already, we could actually import the whiteboard directly here. And if I click on recent, I've created 2 whiteboards. I could import whatever whiteboards that I've done so far. And if I click on more places, I could actually import some of the files from my channels. So if you had seen my previous videos, I have created 2 channels, and I could find the libraries of the channels, and I could import some files from the channels that I've created. All right, I'll click on cancel now. And if I wanted to include a link, I'll just click on link, and I'm gonna try including a link. If I just type in the link and click on insert, take some time, and as you can see, a link has been inserted, and people can see the link here as well. If you wanted to increase the size, you can increase the size of the link and actually keep it in your whiteboard, which is fantastic, you guys. And if I had to include some videos, I will click on videos over here, and I could just enter the URL of the video that I wanted to share and click on insert, so that the video also gets displayed in the whiteboard. After you create the whiteboard, if you wanted to share it, there is an option here to share. If I click on share, I get an option to share it with my team. So I'm going to share it with Peter, and I'm going to share it with Jacob as well. All right, if I click on send, actually a link to the whiteboard will be sent to their respective emails. And that's it from me today, you guys. I hope this video was very useful. I hope I have covered the basic information about whiteboards in Microsoft Teams. And if you like my video, just give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can comment, and I'll be happy to reply. Until I see you guys in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Take care, you guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.